Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Milwaukee M12 Stubby 3/8 impact wrench. So here's everything that comes in this nice bag. We can use the bag to store it, but here's the impact wrench. We can go in or out with it, and we've got 4 modes up here that I'll explain. It comes with 2 batteries. I love that it comes with the 4 milliamp hour battery, and it also comes with a 2 milliamp hour battery. And it also comes with the charger. So you're simply going to plug the charger in, slide this in, the light will be red, and then when it turns green, they're fully charged. Very, very easy. Now this will take 3/8 sockets right here. Now when you put a battery on, you want to make sure you put it on to where it clicks. Now it's on. We're going to have a battery status indicator. Anytime you barely pull the trigger, the light comes on and you get a battery status. Now again, in the middle is locking it, but I can go in or out with it and put 3/8 sockets on there. Now we've got 4 modes of operation. So you're going to press this button. Number 1, slow speed, medium speed, high speed. Now this is called the next one is called the auto off. It says in the auto off mode, the tool will drive forward at a reduced RPM until the torque is achieved. In reverse, the tool will operate at full RPM to remove fasteners at full torque. And there's the different RPMs for each mode. And it's very easy to cycle through the different modes. You got an LED light that lights up. It does come with this nice belt clip, but you can take that off with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's take some measurements. With that battery on there, it's about 9 inches. So this length is about 4 1/4. Overall, it's about 4 3/4. There, it's about 2 1/2, 2 1/2. So again, it feels very well balanced, but it's going to be able to get into tight places because it's not very big. And it is brushless. You could put that wrench holder on the other, or the belt clip on the other side. Nice rubber grip right through here. And let's put the other, again, you got to pinch these tabs to get the batteries on and off. There's what it's like when you've got the smaller 2 amp battery. It's not fully charged yet. They come with about half charge, and it takes about 2 hours to charge them up. That's about 8 inches. Very, very lightweight. But this is a really nice bag. It comes with a nice zipper, but we can put everything in this bag. So here I've got everything in the bag, nice Velcro strips. These elastic things can hold it, so everything fits in there. It zips up, and it has a nice handle. And this is about 14 1/2 by 9. Height-wise, you're looking at about 3 1/2. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.